please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 378, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, told of a man who fed a thirsty dog, and because of this good deed Allah, the Exalted, forgave him. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, added that being kind to all creatures leads to a reward. It is important to understand that Islam does not only want Muslims to do big deeds, like build a mosque, but Allah, the Exalted, rewards all good deeds, big or small. As long as a Muslim does a deed, for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, they will be rewarded for it. Meaning, quality is better than quantity. Therefore, Muslims should always try to perform good deeds, big or small, as they never know which deed Allah, the Exalted, might lead to their forgiveness. The other important thing, is that if Islam teaches Muslims to be kind to animals, it would never advise them to harm people. Muslims should ignore those who claim otherwise, and follow the teachings of Islam, by being kind to all people, whether they are Muslim or not, and animals. This is the character of a true Muslim.